Hey, are you ready to make your move in 2022? Let's talk about this amazing house here in Siena. I am showing this 5-bedroom with a study and 3.5 bathrooms. All of the bedrooms are generously sized. You are gonna love it. Let me show you my 3 favorite things. First favorite thing, the rounded staircase. I just think they are so elegant, beautiful, and this dining room. I mean, those are one thing. I'm gonna say it's the view as soon as you walk in. Number 2, this kitchen. Hi, kitty. So if you like cabinets, get a load of all these cabinets. They go on for days. Lastly, it's the outdoors that you get to enjoy. Look at this. Covered patio, huge lot, lots of outdoor entertaining space. I'm gonna show you one more piece of this. Hang on. Okay, I'm upstairs in the game room. I absolutely love these oversized shutters. They're throughout the entire house. So there's a balcony up here on the 2nd level. This is what I think is brilliant. My husband used to build covered patios, and if you're in Texas and you want a balcony, I highly recommend putting that covering on there or you'll never use it. So this house already has it. So there you have it. 5 bedrooms with a study, huge lot, really close to Camp Siena. This is a great house. It's offered at $500,000. I'm here this afternoon from 2 to 4 and tomorrow afternoon from 2 to 4. Come and see me. Let's get an offer in on this one. You are gonna love it.